Welcome to No-Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will show you how you can change the property type on your Airbnb listing. For example, if it is a cottage and it is showing a house, you can change that, and the vice versa. And there are lots of other property types you can choose from, and I will show you exactly how you can do that. Try and do this from a computer because I find it much easier when you're using a computer as compared to their phone app. But the navigation is almost the same if you choose to use a phone app. Once you're logged into Airbnb from your computer, just go over to the top right section and click on switch to hosting. That will take you to the hosting dashboard, and then click on a listing option in the top menu, and then click on your listing again. That will open up your listing editor, and on the left hand side, as you scroll down, the third option you will see is the property type. Just click on that, and on the right hand side you will see all these options for property type will appear. The first one is house, which is going to be usually the case. If it is a flat or a house, you can choose. And there are some other options like a secondary unit, a unique space, bed and breakfast, boutique hotel, and all those things. And the second option is property type. Let's say you have a house, and then you can choose whether it is a bungalow or a townhouse or an urban home, a hut, a lighthouse, a villa, a cottage. This is where you can choose the exact property type your house or a flat falls in. Next is a listing type, which is entire place. If you're just looking to share a room in your property, you can choose this option. Or if it is a shared room, which the guest is going to share with someone else, you can choose that option. And then you can choose how many floors is in the building and which floor is your property on. And then you can also mention the year your property was built. And you can also mention here the property size in square feet and in square meters. And the last one is your category. This is the category which Airbnb automatically populates using AI, which basically means these are the categories it appears in when people are looking to book a property. And for example, this property is appearing in countryside, a lakefront, and lake property category when people are looking for a place to stay in this area. It's fairly simple to change these settings once you know where to go. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. And leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.